Let's reindustrialize Canada. In today's geopolitical situation, what is abundantly clear is that core manufacturing is the bedrock of both economic and national security. Western countries have learned this the hard way. Now is the time to pivot. We have great capabilities in Canada across our value chains, but we're often too fragmented as we send many components across borders multiple times due to the integrated nature of our value chains. We have an opportunity moving forward to bolster domestic production that'll help us improve the resiliency of supply chains going forward. We've shown that we can build complete advanced manufacturing value chains before. Take, for instance, our automotive sector. We showed what's possible with Project Arrow, a Canadian-made electric vehicle that showcased the best of our automotive suppliers across the nation. On top of that, the government did a great job of attracting major investments from global automakers here in Canada because of the potential of the country. However, we know much work remains to be done to secure a leading position in this important value chain going forward. The key question for us as a nation is how can we build complete end-to-end competitive value chains at scale across manufacturing sectors? Now is the time for a bolder Canadian industrial strategy. We need to start by protecting and defending value chains that are under significant pressure from destructive tariffs so that we can retain core talent, assets, and capabilities required for the future. We can do that by leaning into ramping up the defense industrial base. This will give the government some quick wins. It'll help us ramp up defense spending while at the same time building domestic capabilities, and it'll enable us to support other nations that need to do the same. Looking forward to bolster both defense and EV value chains that are critical for the future, we really have to lean into our critical mineral abundance, both by building new mines, but also making sure that we get the critical value-added processing done here domestically in Canada. Government support is going to be crucial for this, not only as a funding catalyst, but also to bring together private sector investment for the sector. This includes making connections between businesses and research institutions, but also with the investors. By taking an end-to-end value chain approach, we can pivot as a nation to a much bolder industrial policy that allows us to play a leading role in the future and live up to our full potential.